For motion, item number 1.
When was the detention order passed?
The first extension order was passed on 4th July 2023 on page 27, Marot.
Page
27.
Issue notice. Heard, Mr. So and so
Okay, it's
learned
over, my
counsel
lord.
for the petitioner issue notice. Mr. Chief of Home, Leonard,
My lord, I'm appearing for response number 1, 2, and 3.
Government Advocate appears for 120. And Mr. Yamawati, and CGC appears for respondent number 4. Notice on respondents are complete. Respondents are allowed the full counter. List up to 4 weeks.
Much obliged.
Item number 2 and 3.
This before a different bench. List this case before any other bench without one of us. Within bracket, you put my name.
For admission, item number 4.
That is lordship. Lordship in the
Have
last
you filed
order.
your additional affidavit?
No, lordship.
What?
I've sought for instruction, lordship. There's some miscommunication going on between the LESIT,
Oh,
the funding agency, lordship.
oh,
So, lordship, if 2 weeks maybe granted, lordship, I'll place on record the status, lordship.
okay.
2 weeks, lordship.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. M. Muzil, N. Muzil, learned counsel for the respondents, 2 to 4.
2 to 4 years, lordship.
Press for 2 weeks time to file an additional affidavit. In terms of the order dated 27/3/2024.
Lordship.
Press allowed, list after 2 weeks.
Obliged, lordship.
Item number 5.
Milords, I'm appearing for the appellants.
Yes,
Now, the matters for hearing, Milords, on the issue, Milords, of the circular and the notifications, circular of the Government of India, FSSAI, and the notification by the state government banning dog meat and asking for consequential directions there. The
who
same,
appears for respondents 7 and 8? Okay, we are appealing for the state,
4 and 5.
4 and 5.
Yes.
Last time also 7 and 8 was absent on medical grounds. CGC.
Your Honor, I'm for respondent number 7 and 8
Ah,
on behalf of YP Gupta.
yes.
Your Honor, some few months back, we have filed one counter affidavit.
Ah,
Like to pray before the Honorable Court to allow us to kindly withdraw the affidavit as there is a clerical mistake on it and refile a fresh correct one.
You want to withdraw your counter affidavit?
No, we have filed a counter affidavit few months back, but we would like to withdraw
How do you withdraw it?
because there is a clerical mistake on it and allowed us to file a fresh correct one, Your Honor.
The union? How can you withdraw your affidavit? You file an IA praying for correction of the clerical mistake in the counter affidavit.
Okay.
After that, we can consider it.
Okay.
So, madam, there is now a prayer for adjournment.
Milords, I am aware, Milords, what happens is I've seen the counter. They've supported, Milords, the stand of the appellant, excepting, I think, in the prayer clause, they made a mistake. That a mistake has happened. They had advised us also that the same maybe they can amend it, Milords.
Now they can make a file an amended counter affidavit.
Copy of it may be supplied to, I've noticed.
Okay, heard.
Milords, may record my presence, Milords, please. Last
Okay.
time,
Your
somebody,
good name, please.
Pinky Anand, senior advocate.
Pinky,
Anand,
Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. Foseko for the petitioner. Stop. MS,
Gaungao.
Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. Y. Gupta, Learned CGC for the respondent 7 and 8. Praise for filing an amended counter affidavit. Stop. Praise allowed. How much time you require?
2 weeks, Your Honor.
List up to 2 weeks. Do you want a date, madam?
Milords, can it be 20th of May?
May.
Milords, it will come to May in any case, but you can have it earlier, Milords, 17th, 17th, whatever suits your lordship, Milords.
17th of May.
Yes, Milords.
17th of May,
It's a Friday.
there's no division bench, isn't it? There's no division bench. You have, you either have a choice of 15th or 22nd.
22nd. 15th. 15th is very Milords.
List on 15.
For hearing, my lords, kindly.
Yes.
Also wait.
Let them file the counter, amended counter, we'll see after.
Actually, it's a clerical error from what it seems. So then kindly just hear the matter, my lords, whichever way your lordship holds fit, my lords. Grateful.
Item number 6.
Yes, CGC. Have you filed your affidavit?
Your Lordship, there is already a direction by the judgment dated 17/11/21 that 329A in the state of Nagaland should be constructed within 3 years. That hasn't been done. So the respondents must only state when they are going to do it. That's all, Your Lordship. And then the importance of this road, it cannot be overstressed. Even just yesterday, Lordships, another notification was issued, an order was issued that this National Highway 29 is going to be, there's going to be a closure of National Highway 29A for 3 days.
Why?
Because they have to remove all those bits of rocks and soil on the hillside for the safety of the public. So as and when National Highway 29A is blocked for any reason, this alternative route is used. This is the only alternative route. In fact, the Lordships can take judicial notice of this. We have all taken this road from Pimla Junction to Mahinamsi to the Jalaki Road, then to Jhanapani. This is the alternative route. And yesterday, the National Highway 29 is going to be blocked again because of this cleaning process. I do not know why the respondents are sitting over the directions given by the Supreme Court. This order can also be taken on record and reflected the elections. It just shows the importance of the construction of National Highway 29A. The second paragraph. During the road closure time, all traffic shall be diverted from 7 Mile Junction, Pimla, Mahinamsi, Jhanapani. So this is the portion which was actually in the earlier 129A. It was changed by NHIDCL, not by the center. So we came to this on court filing a PIN. During the pendency of the proceedings, the central government accepted a change alignment and included the excluded portion in 329A. So as a result, the PR was closed. But closing the petition, this Honorable Court said the National Highway 329A should be constructed within 3 years. We are almost within 3 years now. Still, most steps have been initiated.
Yes, who appears for the?
All are representative. NHIDCL as well as
Also for the
union.
6 and 7, that is the NHIDCL Lordship. The stretch of road, which is the subject matter in this PIL Lordship, it falls within the purview of the state government Lordship to maintain it Lordship. I'll be filing my affidavit Lordship.
No, the issue is there's some public interest involved in this.
Yes, Lordship.
So once National Highway 29 is closed, for how many days? 3 days. No, more than 3 days.
22nd to May 11th.
22nd to May 11th.
Lordship, as far as the union of,
That is 3 weeks.
as far as the union is concerned, Lordship, we have already sanctioned the amount, and it is a contract.
To whom did you sanction the amount?
To the state and the
NHIDCL.
NHIDCL. So who's supposed to construct the road? You're supposed to do it, isn't it?
Lordship, as per the instruction that I've received from the authorities Lordship, this falls under the state government. The state has to.
Money is
maintain it,
sanctioned to you and you said that the state is going to build it.
Lordship, that instruction, whether the amount has been sanctioned to us or not, Lordship. Because as far as the instruction goes, Lordship, it is under the purview of the state government to maintain it, Lordship.
The instructions of the NHIDCL is not correct. I mean, with due respect to my learned friend, Your Lordship, this portion from Pimla Junction till Mahinamsi, that is the excluded portion. And for reasons we all know about, the Lordships. Now, this portion during the pendency of the first PIL was retained by the state government for maintenance. That period is gone. And this is now National Highway. So National Highway is the subject of the central government. Central government has entrusted it to the NHIDCL. So there should be no confusion here, man.
So
There should be no confusion here.
it is the NHIDCL.
I'll file a proper affidavit, Lordship. After
No,
getting
why
all
are
the
you taking
instructions,
so long
Lordship.
to file your affidavit?
Lordship,
I have
it's
entered
only
a
about
period.
compliance now. When are they going to construct? That's all.
And that
Yeah,
appearance
the
only on the
issue
last
is
occasion,
worked out.
Lordship. I'll be filing my affidavit very soon, Lordship. Two weeks time, Lordship.
Just instructions, Your Lordship. You-
At least instructions, you can come within the period of 1 week.
Lordship. Not filed my affidavit accordingly.
No, Your Lordship, the statement being put by the NHRECL is as if there is no direction as yet. The direction is already there. It's all about when are they going to construct. That's all, my lord. Starts at page 17. And the relevant portion, Your Lordship, begins from page 40. Page 40. May I read, my lord? Page 40, paragraph 6.
Page 40.
Paragraph 6. Beginning from paragraph 6.
Yes.
We have considered the submissions of the learned councils, keeping in view the facts and circumstances that led to the filing of this petition and the developments that has taken place thereafter and the public interest involved. Undoubtedly, NH 129A was notified by the competent authority and it can only be changed or modified or withdrawn by the same competent authority as provided in the Constitution and the National Highways Authority Act 1988. It is admitted that the course of National Highway 129A, for which construction NITs were issued by NHRECL from Perin to Dimapur, are a deviation from the notified course of the National Highway. However, the deviation made in the NITs issued by the NHRECL has been followed by another notification by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways dated 27/7/21. Therefore, we are of the view that the act of the NHRECL in having issued the NITs by changing the course of NH 129A has been regularized by a competent authority under the law. Further, by the same notification, that stretch of the NH 129A, which has been left out from the course of the same highway, have been declared as National Highway 329A. Therefore, we are also of the view that both the central and state governments have no intention of leaving that stretch of road unattended or uncared for. So these are positive directions, my lords. In fact, two national highways have been created in and around the same area of the state. Therefore, we find no reason to suspect any malafide involved in the decision-making process. It is settled principle of law that policy-making is within the domain of government, and changing of such decisions, depending on changed circumstances, is also within its domain, unless public interest is adversely affected and manifestly affected, and the decision-making process is tainted with malafide, courts normally do not interfere. The fact that the stretch that was left out from the course of National Highway 129A has been declared as a National Highway 329A shows that both the state and central governments have not abandoned the same. Therefore, one cannot conclude that public interest has been or would be adversely affected by the deviation of the route of National Highway 129A. Furthermore, it is not possible to see if any malafide has been involved in the decision-making process in the facts and circumstances of the case. As such, we are of the view that interference of this code is not called for. However, taking into view the anxiety and concern of the public, particularly the villages whose villages are located along the earlier notified stretch of National Highway 129A, which is now 329A, we direct the Union of India, particularly the Ministry of Road Transport and Highway, and the Government of Nagaland to construct, expand, and maintain the National Highway 329A as any other national highway, and it should be done at the earliest but not later than 3 years. So the direction is already there, my lords. So this PIL is only about when the respondents are going to construct the National Highway 329A. Date of judgment, my lords, is 17/11/21. Almost 3 years now.
Yes, heard Mr. A. Zimam, Learned Counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. Yamawati, Learned CGC. For the response number? One. Mr. V. Zimami, Learned Government Advocate for respondents.
2, 3, 4, and 5.
2, 3, 4, and 5, and Mr. Moa. So Learned Counsel. You are the standing
67.
counsel. You are the standing
Engaged
counsel.
counsel, Lordship. Engaged
You are
counsel.
Learned Engaged Counsel in HIDCL. For respondents 6 and
6
7.
and 7, Lordship.
Stop. Para. This PIL has been filed, praying for direction to the respondents to take immediate and prompt steps to build, maintain, and manage and operate National Highway 329A and its passage through the state of Nagaland. In terms of the order, judgment and order dated 17/11/2021, passed in PIL number
PIL
3 of
2021.
2021. This judgment is in IA one.
Yes, 72.
Both IA as well. In both, my lord, it was a combined judgment.
It appears it's only in IA. Okay, okay.
In both, my
PIL,
lord.
PIL 3 of 2021. Stop. By the said judgment dated 17/11/2021, the Ministry of Road Transport and Highway and the Government of Nagaland were directed to construct, expand and maintain NH 329A as any other national highway at, at the earliest, but not later than 3 years from today. 3 years. Stop. The case of the petitioner is that despite the judgment being passed in PIL 3 of 2021, no steps has been taken till date, and 3 years is going to be expired within a short period of time. Stop. Para. Learned counsel for the petitioner has also furnished an order dated 16th April 2024, issued by the Deputy Commissioner Kohima, Nagaland, wherein it is stated that the National Highway 29 between Dimapur and Kohima shall be closed to all traffics within bracket both light and heavy vehicles from April 22, 2024 to May 11, 2024. Stop.
Thank you.
From 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. Oh, it's only for
3 hours.
3 hours.
3 hours. But nevertheless, my lord.
And,
whenever it's closed,
during the road closure, all traffic shall be diverted from 7th Mile Junction, Desh Pimla, Desh Mainamzi, Desh Janavani, and vice versa. Stop. He therefore submits that when the National Highway 29 is closed for the set period, the National Highway 329A would be used. However, as the respondents have failed to maintain the road till date, as per the directions passed by this court,
to construct, my lord.
yet to construct the road till date, as per the directions passed by this court in PIL 3 of 2021, immediate steps are required for construction of NH 329A. Stop. Para. Mr. Moal and the council, engaged council, NHIDCL pressed for 1 week time to receive instructions as to when the construction of NH 329A would start. Stop. Prayer is allowed. List on. It's normally only on a Wednesday.
Only on Wednesday.
Oh, okay, cancel that line. Prayer is allowed. Mr. Gauhati and the CGC submits that sanction has already been accorded to the NHIDCL. Correct.
Lordship, I don't have the record now, but sanction has already been accorded.
To whom?
It will come to the state. And the state.
First you said NHIDCL.
NS.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, Lordship. But I may be given the instruction, but sanction has been accorded, Lordship.
Has already been sanctioned to the NHIDCL /
The state government.
state government. Stop. The prayer of Mr. Moa Lanute, so and so for the NHIDCL is allowed. List on today's what? 18th. We'll have it on 24th. On that day, you come with instructions. And also check out whether you've got a sanction order or not,
Lord.
and state government also. Plus, that day you bring the sanction order. The order dated 16th April 2024 is placed on record. Finish.